Let me put one more sort of variable on the table. I'm told by a Justice Department source that the only way the Democrats get their hands on anything resembling underlying evidence or a more fulsome version of the Mueller report or Don McGahn is as a part of impeachment
proceedings.
Isn't that
ironic?
That the
true.
standoff that the Justice Department and the White House may be more prepared for is the more combative version. Is that right from a DOJ perspective?
It's right for a couple of reasons. One, they get more grand jury information if it's impeachment rather than if it's just a subpoena. And then there's a recent spanking new case from the D.C. Circuit that says if it's impeachment, executive privilege doesn't have the same force either. So lots more evidence that the House could get. Ironically, the only way they get it is through impeachment.